Hey guys, it's CrystalRenèe here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for joining. In today's video, you get to watch me propagate Pothos Njoy and my Hoya Krimson Queen. I have been growing this baby for some time, but time to cut it back. Now you might be wondering, why in the world would I want to cut my Pothos Njoy after it's grown so much? Well, the real reality is I would like for my pothos to be much fuller. So to promote more growth, I'm going to cut back these trailing vines as you see here, and it's going to promote more root growth from the base, and it's going to fill out the pot much more. So in the end, I will end up with a much fuller Pothos Njoy. So here you see me diving in and cutting at the base of the plant, assuring that I'm making a nice clean cut. So I'm not too worried about cutting off the vines because I know that in due time it will trail once again and be much fuller and possibly have many more trailing vines. Here I'm just looking to see exactly where I want to make my cut and how close to the base I want to cut it. Now I'm going to do the same exact thing to the rest of the vines remaining on the plant here. And yeah, just enjoy the music and hope you enjoy the footage. Now for the last and final cut. I ended up with all that. Look at the pot now. It's really cut back. So now I'm going to cut each vine by the node until I'm completely finished. At this point, I'm not gonna say much, just let you watch, and I'm gonna speed this thing up a bit. So now I'm going to gather the cuttings, place them in a glass container so that I can see the root growth, and I'll be back with an update. So it's been 3 weeks later as of today, and this is the root system on the Pothos Njoy. I think they rooted up well, and eventually I will be potting it up. That way it can grow as large and full as the mother plant, who, by the way, is doing very well and has sent off plenty of new shoots and on its way to trail again. Now for my Hoya Krimson Queen. Same process, different plant. As you can see here, I really didn't have much to work with from the start. I had already been water propagating, but I thought, let's cut it down. So of course I sterilized my pruners and got right to business. Again, same process. Be sure to cut in between nodes. And this is the finished outcome of what I had after cutting. And I just filled up the jar with water and set it in a bright location. And that is simply it. Unfortunately, there is no update for the Hoya because I have given them all away. But if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're new here and not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Please follow me on all my social media platforms. And until next time, happy growing, guys.